How do I add a current time display in OBS Studio? Hi, I'm Helen Santos, a support expert at JMV Technology. Today, I'll show you how to add a live clock to your OBS Studio stream. This feature is great for live news, auctions, or lectures as it always shows the correct time. You only need to set this up once. If you're new to OBS Studio, we offer a free comprehensive course. Scan the QR code to access it. We'll use a script to add the clock. You'll find the download link in the video description. Right-click the download button and select Save Link As. This will create a Lua file directly. Save it somewhere organized to avoid accidental deletion. Don't just click download or you'll only see the code text. In OBS, click Tools and then Scripts. Click the plus button and select the downloaded script. Click Add. Now restart OBS to apply the changes. Next, we need to add text to display the clock. Go to the scene where you want to add the clock. In Sources, click the plus and choose Text. Name this source, for example, clock, and click OK. For now, don't write or edit anything. Click OK. Click Tools, then Scripts again. Select the script, type the exact text source name. The clock should now start working. Remember, it uses your computer's time. Now edit the text, font, size, and color as you like. Looking for a live streaming platform? Check out JMV Technology. For more info, scan the QR code. Like, share, and follow us for more content like this.